So welcome you all. So next video lecture is on deleting a node at end in W linked list. Okay. So how can I able to delete an element at end of the position in the given linked list? Okay. So deletion of the last node in W linked list needs travel cells. Okay. Travels is nothing but visiting all the node present in the given linked list. Identify which is the last node present in the given linked list. In order to reach the last node of the list and then make pointer adjustment at that position. Okay, take an example. If we are having a 5 node present in the given linked list means the first node previous field null represent the first node. Okay, the last node next field represent null, that indicates the last node. Okay, we are going to identify the last node in the given linked list and make some adjustment, and then last node previous node changes into last node of the given linked list, because we are going to delete the last node in the given linked list. Okay, how can I able to delete it? So consider this is an example. Okay, this is an example. Alright, we are having a 4 node present in the given linked list. Alright, 4 nodes means that is 10, 20, 30, 40. These are 4 nodes present in the given linked list. My aim is to delete at the last. Okay, we are going to create a temporary pointers. Identify the last node in the given linked list. If the last node is null means that is the last node given linked list, and then make changes last node previous node. Okay, and then this should be changed into null. Then only we have to eliminate from the given linked list, and this link is terminated from the third node to the fourth node. Okay, that is using in algorithms. Alright. Here we are going to see the pictorial representation how we can able to delete a certain element from the given linked list. Okay, we have to check whether the condition is true or false. Okay, void is a function that is return type, delete last is a function name. Here I am going to create a 2 temporary pointer variable. One is start temp1, start temp2. Okay, and then temp1 equal head. Alright, temp1 equal head. Head pointer points also to the temporary pointer. Okay, if head equal null, we have to check the first condition. If the list is empty means you cannot able to delete any element from the given linked list. That's the first condition, list is empty. Okay, if there is only one element present in the given link, how can you able to identify only one element? Okay, that is the given node next field occupies null means that is the last element given link. Else if head of next. Okay, that is head pointer point to the first node of the given linked list, and then same thing temporary pointer also pointing to the first node in the given linked list. Alright, head equal to head of next equal null. What is head? 4000 next equal to null. Okay, 4000 next is this is null. Condition true or false? Null equal to null. Okay, condition true. Condition true means come inside the loop, and we have to change head pointer equal to null. Okay, this head pointer, because this is the only one element present in the given linked list, I am going to delete it. Okay, then head pointer equal to null. Head pointer is null means we have to terminate the connection from head pointer to the node. Okay, head equal null, and then printf last element %id. What is start temp? Temp point to the first node in the given linked list. Okay, start temp one is 40. Okay, here %id is 40. The last element 40 is deleted from the linked list, and then free is deallocated in the memory. This element is deleted. Temporary pointer inside the temporary pointer 4000, this should be deleted from the given linked list. Later I'm getting this element is deleted from the list properly. Okay, have understand this condition. First we have to check the condition. If head equal null means that is head pointer is null means there is no node is present in the given linked list. You cannot able to delete any element from the given linked list. Okay, and then if head pointer points to next field equal null means condition two. This is the last node given linked list. This is the first node also. We can easily eliminate from the given linked list. Okay, in the first scenario, and the second condition Second condition, we are having n number of nodes present in the given linked list. N number of nodes. Take an example. We are having 4 nodes present in the given linked list. Okay, node 1 is 10, node 2 20, node 3 30, node 4 40. So my aim is to delete this position. Okay, I'm going to delete this last node from the given linked list. Okay, I'm going to delete this 4000 from the given. How can I able to delete it? Okay, I'm already created two temporary pointer, temp1 as well as temp2. Temp1 point to the first node, that is head pointer. Okay, here head pointer is point to the first node of the given linked list, and the first node is 1000. Okay, head pointer, that is temporary pointer, temp1 also point to the first node in the given, because temp1 equal to head. Okay, the head pointer could not able to move from one node to another node simultaneously, but head pointer, that is temporary pointer, can able to move from one node to another node. What the use of this head pointer is, it going to point, okay, which is the last node in the given linked list. Okay, so how can you able to identify this exact last node in the given linked list? Okay, there is temp1. Okay, so while temp1 next not equal to null. Okay, this is the algorithm, because else if part is completed and else part, while temp1 pointer next, temp1 pointer means temp1 point to next is 2000 not equal to null, condition true or false, condition true, because 2000 some value is present there. And then temp1 equal temp1 of next. What is temp1? Temp1 is 1000 of next. 1000 of next is, here is 2000. Okay, here 2000, temp1 equal 2000. Automatically link is created from, is terminated from the first node, and the link is created to the second node, and then here temp1 should be changed into 1000 into 2000. Okay, so using this condition, and then after, what is the value of temp1? Temp1 is 2000. Okay, 2000 next. Okay, temp1 is 2000 next is 3000. So 3000 not equal to null, condition true or false, condition true, and then enter inside the while condition, temp1 of next. What is temp1? Temp1 is this, temp1 2000 of next, 2000 of next is 3000. Okay, here temp1 should be changed into 3000. Okay, automatically the link is created from the second node to the third node, and then this connection is terminated here, and then we have to make a link from second node to third node properly. Okay, have understand? And then again we have to check the condition, temp1 of next. What is temp1? Temp1 is 3000. 3000 of next, 3000 of next is 4000. 4000 not equal to null, condition true or false, condition true. Okay, it can enter inside the while condition, temp1 equal to temp1 of next. What is temp1? Temp1 is 3000. 3000 of next is 4000. Automatically they should be changed into into 4000. Okay, temp1 equal to 4000. 4000 means the link is created here, that is 4000. Automatically link is created from third node to fourth node. Okay, third node to fourth node, and then again we have to check the condition. Okay, what is the value of temp1? 4000. Okay, 4000 points next, 4000 point next is null, null, null not equal null, condition true or false, condition fails. Condition failing, come out of it. We identify this is the last node. Okay, using a temporary pointer temp1. Okay, have understand this while condition, and then we have to make the connection from this node to that node. Okay, and again I am going to create a one temporary pointer. Temp2 equal to temp1 of previous. What is temp1 of previous? Temp1, what is temp1? 4000 previous. 4000 previous is 3000. Okay, temp2 is 3000. Have understand? Temp1 of previous. Temp1 is 4000. 4000 previous. What is 4000 previous? 3000. Automatically temp2 equal to 3000. Okay, here temp2 should be assigned as 3000. Okay, the pointer pointing to this address also. Okay, temp2 equal 3000. I understand. And then temp2 of next. What is temp2? 3000. 3000 of next. 3000 of next is going to change into null because this should be delimited, means this is the last node we given link. Last node of next field can be represented as a null. Okay, this should be changed into null. 4000 should be changed into null. Okay, I understand. And then if this represent null means the connection is terminated automatically from this pointer to that pointer. Okay, understand. And then next one, temp1 previous. What is temp1? Temp1 is 4000. 4000 previous. 4000 previous is 3000. Okay, we have to terminate this link also. So how can I able to terminate this link also? Means temp1 of previous is 3000. 3000 equal to null. Okay, this also should be changed into null. Okay, automatically a link is terminated from the last node to previous node. Okay, have understand these locations. And then this also null. And then printf, the last element %d is deleted from the linked list. Start temp1. What is start temp1? Start temp1 pointing to the last node. Okay, start temp1 means 40. Okay, automatically here 40 is the last element, 40 is deleted from the list. Okay, and then free temp1. What is free temp1? Free is deallocating memory for the temporary pointer. Okay, these elements is properly eliminated from the given linked list. And then we having 3 nodes. Okay, this node at end of the linked list next field occupies null. Okay, the first node, previous field occupies null means this is the first node, this is the last node. Okay, so I understand insert, that is deleting an element at last in doubly linked list. Okay, thank you for watching this.